Hello, in this video I will show you how to add students to your master account so that they also have a username and password so they can log into our website to listen to audiobooks. First thing you need to do is sign into your master account. You will have been given a username when you first joined and the password that you set yourself. Go to sign in. This takes you to your dashboard. To add students so they can get listening at home, go here to the school dashboard. You should have your school name at the top and the plan that you signed up for, in this case 10 logins, and your renewal date. To add students, go here to this blue button, add new login. And here you can write in a pupil identifier. We don't need their name, but it's just something so that you can remember who you've given which username and password to. So we'll just pop one in here. It's a good idea to give them the exact date of birth because that's going to determine the books which the students can borrow. So if they're under 12 years of age, they'll only see books suitable for that age range, and under 16 years of age, books suitable for that age range. So please do make sure you pop in a correct date of birth. Just make one up here and give them a password. Here you can choose whether to give them access to newspapers and magazines. So from the Listening Books website only, you can access our partner service Press Reader, where there's thousands of newspapers and magazines to choose from. You've got The Guardian, you've got children's comics, you've got things like BBC Good Food, gaming magazines and things like that. So it'll always be disabled unless you enable it. And then you do need to tick to agree to the terms and conditions to enable Press Reader. We'll do that for this one here. And then you go to create new. So you can see down here you have your first login. And then you go ahead and add lots more logins all along. So you've got all your 10 users here, and you'll be able to scroll down and have a look at who you've got. You'll always be able to view the password as well in case that the student comes to you and they've forgotten it. It'll tell you whether you've enabled Press Reader. You can edit the student's details here, or you can actually delete the membership and add more. So once you have your 10 logins, if a student isn't using or they've left the school, you can delete their login and give it to and set up a new one for somebody else. And you'll have those all under there. You'll be able to see that the books that they borrowed by clicking here. You have to enter their username and password, and it will show you all the books that student has borrowed as well. When you've set up the students that you'd like to have access, if you go here to School Resources, purple button on the left, and click in, we have a letter all written ready for you that you can send to parents and carers. You'll just need to add in the username and password for the children. We suggest popping it on your own headed paper. You can change it up as you wish. This is just a template. And it just explains for the parents and carer what the children have access to. You'll need to add in their username and password for them. And then it's got instructions on how to start using. So you can listen on a PC or computer, and it has the instructions here, or you can listen on a phone or tablet using the Libby app. And it's further instructions on how to get the Libby app and how to get started. We hope that has helped on how to add students to the service. If you've got any questions at any time, please give us a call on 0207 407 9417, or you can email support@listening-books.org.uk.